Hi, we're Dean and Tess, and 2 years ago we left everything behind to travel the world. In this episode, we're headed to Jaco Beach in Costa Rica to brush up on our surfing skills and explore everything that it has to offer. Let's find out if this could be one of the best surf towns in Costa Rica.
At the end of the 7 to 10 bus terminal, we had to catch a taxi to get here. Tess looks absolutely wiped. We've had a day. We just missed that bus, so we have 2 hours to wait here in the bus terminal, and let's go get some food.
Yeah,
this has been
rough. Very rough. But that is travel, isn't it? Days are good days.
Yeah, we had to emergency book for a plane out of here in order to arrive. So that was stressful. I guess we're going to Panama. I don't like making the last minute decision, but that's what we did. We're on the way, I think. I hope we make the right bus purchase. How much was that? It was 6,000, so 3,000 colones per ticket, which is about maybe 10 bucks each. So better than the $200 it takes for private transport, I think.
Yeah, 200.
Yeah. Bienvenidos a Costa Rica. First peek at the ocean here. Welcome to Costa Rica. Country 60 on this trip. We had quite the long day. It was quite the journey. A bit tired. But we're down here to check out the beach and we're out to food. Our apartment's very hot. There's no air conditioning. Regrets. Mistakes were made. 3 nights of that. But I might go jump in this water just to cool off. Even though it's not a super nice day. It is still 34 degrees.
34, yeah.
This was not like Mexico and Guatemala.
Mexico was cold. Guatemala was cold compared to this.
But Tess has always wanted to go to Costa Rica.
Yeah.
I've been 10 years ago, but not to the coast, so checking out some new stuff. One thing that wears you down in travel is when you don't get good sleeps and there's constant noise either keeping up at night or early in the morning. And we found out when we got here that the windows do not have any glass on them, just screens, including the big one behind our bed here, which looks out into all the properties. So that music is what we heard at like 7 a.m. So luckily our Airbnb house is nice, so we're going to move into another suite that actually does have glass windows. Also has air conditioning. We were not prepared for Costa Rica temperatures. So AC will be very welcome. Mucho calor. been a while since we've been in any tropical storms or any rain at all. And it's so hot in Costa Rica. This is refreshing. We're just waiting for the rainstorm to pass because we need to go get a surf on. It's been a while, right?
Yeah.
We need to continue our surf journey. We checked out the beach and already looks way easier than what we had in Cerritos. Waves are consistent all across the beach. Should be easy to practice on. I assume after dealing with Cerritos where it was really difficult, it will be professional now. It will be really easy.
Yeah.
So go rent a board, which is anywhere from 10 to 20 US a day, depending on US. But yeah, continue and hopefully perfect surfing.
Dude, you get the best barrels ever, dude. Just like you pull in and you just get spit right out of them.
How much easier is this than Mexico?
Much easier.
Whee! The waves are getting bigger.
Yeah, but you're catching them.
Yeah.
Nice work.
Thanks.
So we've been in Jaco for about 5 days, just trying to get better at surfing. And yeah, it's a pretty chill town. Nice vibes, little surfer town. Some good restaurants, but we've been getting a kitchen to try and save money in most of our places. And tomorrow we're gonna make our way up to Santa Teresa, do some more surfing, but we have like I think 3 buses and a ferry to take, and we're not really sure. They're local buses. We're gonna figure it out as we go, I guess. And on to our next surf town. See how that goes, right? All right, let's go back to Airbnb, make some dinner, have some beers. So long, Jaco, Costa Rica. Not Jaco, not Jaco, Jaco.